Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, or welcome to the channel. As you can see, no face cam. Had some problems with my webcam and the USB input, etc. But hopefully you don't mind. In this video, we'll take a look at Solana again. We'll do a daily update. I've been covering the Solana quite a lot in the last couple of days. So if you're new to the channel, and you're interested in that, and you like the way I analyze, consider subscribing. But that's what we'll do. And I think my last videos were a little bit too long. So I'm trying to keep this short. We'll just get straight to the point. All right, so let's take a look at Solana. Right now, technically very bullish. All right, it hit that resistance level between $30 and $32. Technically, I think the situation is still the same as yesterday morning, which is actually a bit of bad news because overnight Bitcoin rallied a lot, of course. So the fact that Solana did not follow that, in my eyes, is a bit of bearish confirmation. Obviously, I mean, it doesn't matter. I mean, technically Solana is still bullish, but it's something you should think about. And it's also interesting, given that Solana was very correlated in the short term and the long term with Bitcoin. So that it doesn't follow Bitcoin right now, at least not in its bullish momentum, I think does matter. All right. In the end, like I said, Solana is still very correlated to Bitcoin. Most of you know that. So to analyze Bitcoin, we also have to analyze, or to analyze Solana, we also have to analyze Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin at this moment is in a little bit of a weird place. Like it's deciding whether it's going to continue rallying up towards 36,000 and 37,000 or retrace a little bit to get some liquidity from 32,500 and 31,000. And I think Solana is in the same position. Like technically Solana is actually stuck in this area between $30-ish and then $32. And what I think is going to happen with Solana, I think depends on which one of these levels is going to break down first. And it's a bit hard to analyze, all right, because it's all intertwined. Like what Solana is going to do depends on Bitcoin, whether it's going to be able to, like what it's going to do after such a breakout is dependent on Bitcoin. But I'll try to focus on Solana specifically. And if we do that, what you'll see is that it actually looks like Solana since yesterday afternoon has been losing momentum. And the volume still went up, but the volume started dropping down as well for the last 5-6 hours, I believe. So I would say it's most likely that Solana will pull back right now. All right. Is that in line with what I think Bitcoin will do? I'm not sure. All right. But what we've seen over the last night is that even if Bitcoin gets very bullish, Solana will react to it, but maybe it will not react that much to it. So given everything we do know, I would say it's most likely that Solana will drop down below $30, its main support, and then drop down towards 28, and then down to 27. And then depending on how it reacts to that level, it will either drop down lower or, which is most likely, it will hold that and consolidate. So I would say this is most likely, but like I said, wait for that confirmation because it's also very possible. And I hate to say this like that, but it's the truth. All right. If Bitcoin gets up towards 35,000 again and it stays at those levels, like Solana will break above $32 and it will rally up to that next price target at 35. That's just the way it is. All right. So even though statistics and the numbers right now show that it's more likely that Solana will fall, technically it's both possible. All right. So let's just say if it does continue rallying, I'm wrong. All right. So you do have a prediction from me, but in the end, reality is way more complicated. All right. So hopefully this does add any value. Like I said, $30 and $32. Those are the main levels to watch. If you do have any questions regarding that, regarding the analysis, let me know. Apart from this, by the way, I also have my own premium group in which I share my own trades as signals. And I'm a profitable trader. I publish my profitability reports every month. And you gain access to a chat room, a community full of traders, and my trading guide. So if you want to make some profit while becoming a better trader, consider joining that. But for now, have a great week. Thank you for watching and bye.